Educare Skill is an online learning platform which is available both as a mobile app and a website. The platform offers entertaining educational content for children, including Read Aloud Videos, animated series, nursery rhymes, and interactive gamified learning, all presented in Dzongkha. The entire content and technology have been developed by Bhutanese professionals. This platform is an initiative of the 𝐻𝐵EST company. Our objective with this platform is to provide quality Bhutanese content for our children and anyone else interested in learning. It is intended as a supplementary resource to school learning, offering a fun and engaging experience. We believe that such a platform will help make learning easier and more attractive for children. In the future, Educare Skill will also offer professional, vocational, and skill-oriented courses, allowing professionals and youth to enhance their knowledge and competencies. Get the Educare Skill membership and make screen time for your children meaningful and entertaining. Educare Skill is launching on 21st February 2024.